Here's an introduction to MudShark's new backfill option for structures. So I'll just show you briefly. If I go to new structure and we're in a proposed site, by default backfill is off. This is compatible with version 5 where we didn't have backfill, so you never got backfill for new structures. Let's just create one at 1 meter. And just quickly calculate. So this one has the backfill option off. So we go to 3D view and we have a hole with our open ground fill around compared with the existing site. Okay, so if we then go though into our structure and say we want backfill on and hit calculate, you can see now it's filled in over the structure, so it's filled back in over the structure. And if we come into the 3D site view and switch off the open ground fill file, you can see that we've got some structure fill in there. Okay, and I'll just demonstrate the same for existing site. So if we delete that structure and go to takeoff view, existing site, and in existing site I go new structure, you can see that backfill is ticked by default. This is again compatible with version 5 where if you had a demolished structure it just assumed you needed to backfill up to the ground level as you demolished the structure. So I'll just put a structure in again here. And hit calculate, go to 3D view, and in proposed site you can see it's backfilled above that structure that we put in as a demolished structure in the existing site. Now if we go and select that structure and untick backfill and hit calculate, it doesn't backfill over that structure, so we end up with the hole where the demolished structure was taken out. And I'll show in some later videos how these can be useful to help you out with calculations.